Hi everyone, I want to share my journey with you from New Delhi railway station, not New Delhi railway station, Nizammudin Railway station to Udaipur. So we catch the train Mewar Express and we left Delhi at around 6:25 p.m. and we reached Udaipur the next morning. So the weather was warm, it was really not hot in the morning. So we actually reached Udaipur at around 6 o'clock, I think. And we came out of the station, Udaipur city station, and we were actually surrounded by so many auto rickshaw wallahs. But we actually got hold of the Uber, so Uber is there too. And then after researching about 2 3 hotels, we found a very good hotel called Hilltop hotel there in the city, and it was really beautiful hotel, and on the top of the hills, with the scenic views, and also you can see the lake there from the other side of the hotel, which is the Fateh Sagar lakes, and you can see half of the city from there, which is really beautiful. So this hotel was really good, because it was cleaned. The staffs were very cooperating with us, and also it was reasonably priced, for the accommodations and for the facilities they gave us. For sure, I really like clean toilets, so I was really looking out for that. So it was really nice, and yes, we got freshen up, and then they also gave us a breakfast, free, which was really a good complimentary gift for us. So we got ready, and then we were checking out the hotel rooms, and then we were actually got we actually got ready, and was ready for the breakfast. So we loved the breakfast there because we really wanted to avoid oily stuffs like puri or kachori, which is really prevalent in the city of Udaipur. So we really had very light breakfast, continental and South Indian breakfast, and the juice was really fresh, and definitely I love the coffee there. So I basically love everything, about the breakfast there, and the architecture was also very good in the hotel. There were so many lights, and the lift was really good too. And we were really looking out for the day. So we got ready, and we had some few meetings after checking out the hotel locations. We went out, and first it was the we were thinking of going to Vishnu temple, because we really wanted to see the temple and attend the puja. So we actually head out there. So we reach here the Vishnu temple now, and it was very beautiful too, but it got started like the heat was really up there, so it must be around 38 to 40 degrees Celsius by the time we reach the mandir. And then we just check out the architecture of the mandir before the main puja. The pujari was telling us that the main puja would start within the 10 to 15 minutes, so we should wait for that. So we thought of waiting. Definitely we came far, from very far place, and we don't want to miss that. And this Vishnu temple is one of the largest in India. So we attended the puja, and we got prasad, and it was really nice puja. And the people there in Udaipur, they're very warm, and they're very hospitable, and they welcome us, and they told us to come next time also. So it was really enjoying for us too, to be able to speak to the locals and ask about the puja, and also about the mandir, and what are the significance of visiting this mandir. So it was really exciting. So after the meeting, we had to go for the lunch. So we were checking out the lunch places, and found a restaurant which was quite famous there. It's called Babaji. So we ended up there for the lunch. So it's the typical Rajasthani thali lunch there. So we thought of having it because we already have the breakfast, the continental breakfast. So we didn't mind the Rajasthani thali. Definitely, I would say that it was good, but we had better than this once. So it was the thali of all the cuisine, Rajasthani cuisine, dal, chapati, bhatti, then all the sabjis. It was okay lunch for us. I love the pickles there. Even I love the papad there too. So it was interesting for us. So day one.